Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, recently we have celebrated our 78th Independence Day and everyone celebrated. But in my opinion, I just want to share with you my thoughts because freedom is not just about a flag hosting in the sky high. It's just about to feel free, to think free, to do free whatever we want to do, so we can do in a freely. Okay, but before Independence Day, our news have been spreading in news channel for 5 days ago that in Kolkata a trainee doctor, and she was 30 years postgraduate trainee doctor, she was sexually abused, she was sexually assaulted and after that murdered. And this news give me so much grief. I don't express it in my thoughts because recently we have celebrated our Independence Day. Independence means freedom, but not only in a village but also even a big cities. It's this type of case, I mean to say rape case or gang rape, these types of case happened so much in recently time. And this type of case give me so much grief, give us so much grief, especially for the women. It's very difficult to live in a free way, to talk to someone with in a free way. Yes, still we are, I mean to say, all the women, all the girls are not free. Okay, and yes, if someone says that okay, don't wear short costume, don't go in midnight time, don't talk to a stranger. But my dear friend, the case which have been separating so many news channel and every social media, this news is spreading. She was a trainee doctor, she was a a postgraduate second year student in chest medicine department. She was literate, she was wearing a full sleeves clothes. She was not going any midnight. She was in that hospital where she was working. Okay, so if it was happened with her, say that means there is no freedom, there is no freedom for women, or there is no freedom for girls. Still we are feeling sigh, still we are feeling hesitate. Okay, because women and girls are only the thing of enjoy. Some people are thinking like this. You don't understand that the a semi clothes body of a woman, postgraduate trainee doctor with injury marks in her face, was found inside the seminar hall of a government hospital, okay, in Kolkata. And it was the news of 7 days ago. Police was saying that she was sexually assaulted and then murdered. So even there is no freedom. After we are celebrating our freedom 200 years ago, British rule applied on our ancestors, and we are celebrating now, we are free. but it's not true. It's not true. You know, girls and women are not free still in a current time. They are facing different kind of boundaries. They are facing different kind of grief. I know, because I am a teacher and I am teaching all the students which came from rural areas, and I when I was talking, and I am talking with their parents, especially women. So yes, as all the women are facing different kind of problem. Like in village, there were all the men are drinking alcohol. 80% men's. Only women are carrying their family by doing some labor work. Okay, and yes, they are, all the women are not free. Male are free. They can eat, they can go, they can do anything. They are free, but women are not free. They are carrying their family. They are fulfill all the desires of her children's, but men are totally free in village. And I have seen so many villagers, all the women are working, but male are not working. They are only drinking alcohol and playing cards every time. Is it freedom? No, it is not freedom. Okay, still all the women, all the girls are not feel free. Okay, so why it is happening? Why we are facing so much problems? And yes, if someone says only this is happen in the village, this is happen when girls wearing short clothes, when girls are going in night time, then it is happen. It's not true. It's not true. You have seen that case. So on Friday morning, the trainee doctor body was found in the seminar hall of the fourth floor of the emergency department building. She was on duty on Thursday night, and she had a dinner with her juniors, and later she went to go sleeping. She want to take some rest, and there is no separate any room. In morning, Friday morning, a security guard first spotted her body. And the autopsy report, there were so many injury in her body, like cheeks and necks and lips, cut marks, scratch marks all over the body. So it is a very dangerous news, and yes, it's very I can't say my feeling in words. I just want to say, if is it freedom, then it's not a true freedom. Actually, it's not a true freedom. And still all the accused were are free. Still they have not arrested, only one person arrested. So this is a news that I wanted to share with you. Still all the women are not free. They have facing different kind of problem. They have facing different kind of blaming in house or outside also. So please give your support for women, and all the women, they have to give a promise on self, because no one will come to help you. Only you can help yourself. Try to avoid all the circumstances. Try to avoid others people free. Try to avoid others people. Please start to please yourself. Think about yourself, because it's your time, and we are living in a male dominating era. We have to work on ourselves. We have to save on ourselves. No one superman will come and help us. Okay, you know, there is so many Ravan all around our, okay, so we have to you know, secure ourselves. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And this is news that I was feeling, and still I am feeling so grief. I can't express this news in my thoughts. And yes, it's very, you know, terrible news. It's very terrible news. So please give support all the women, and all the women, you have to work on yourself. You have to, you know, secure your body. You have to secure your mind, because you know, in house there is different kind of accused, different kind of, you know, assaulted. All the women have been facing, like mentally torture and, you know, physically torture. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.